channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on Lelo makeup. They sent me over some of their lipstick and lip glosses to test out and review for you guys, so I'll be doing that. But before we get into today's video, let me share a little bit more about the company. Lelo has long established itself as the luxury pleasure brand, leading the market in design, innovation, technology, and reputation. But Lelo is not just a pleasure toy brand. It's a self-care movement aimed at those who know that satisfaction transcends gender, orientation, race, and age. They're offering the experience of ecstasy without the shame. The pleasure of discovering all the wonder of one's body, arming their customers with confidence that leads to a fulfilled, intimate life. Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing some swatches, and I'm going to swatch them here on my arm, and then I'll try them on my lips as well. So let's start off with the lip gloss. So the first one that I have is Hot AF, and this is 09 is the color. The color's Hot AF, but the number is 09. So this is what it looks like. Very cute packaging. And I love how this packaging is like black with the white wording, just very simple, simplistic. Love it. Simple, simplistic, same word. But I love that. And this is how the packaging looks. Very cute, sleek. Okay. Smells good. It has like sort of vanilla type of scent. But let's see what this looks like. Wow, that's very pigmented. So let's do a test on the lips and see how this comes out. Wow. If you're someone who loves red lipsticks, ooh yeah. Oh, it's matte too. Oh, so that's nice. I like this. Oh my goodness, it's very pigmented. Don't mind that it's not correctly on, but you can see the color, and I'll keep the swatch here as I swatch the other ones, but this is very pretty. So let's go into the next color. All right guys, so I'm back. You can probably still see a little bit of the color still on me. It was pretty hard to get the the lip gloss off. Well, this is a lipstick, it's a matte liquid lipstick. So you definitely make sure to have like a makeup remover, micellar water or whatever to take that off. Next one that we have is the matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Nymph. So number 10, Nymph. And another thing about this, on the packaging, it gives you how long the product is good for. So it has the 18 months. So you know that this is good for a year and a half. You can mark it on the bottle so that you know when you should not be using it. A lot of products don't tell you how long they last. Again, smells similar, like a vanilla scent. Let's go ahead and swatch this against this one. Look at that, very pretty. And again, I'm not going to put it on my lips just right now because it was hard to get the red color off. And this is more like it's red, but I see like the tint of orange, so it's kind of like giving off like a reddish orange for me. And then this is like a purple fuchsia type color, but very pretty, if you see that. All right, so those are the two liquid lipsticks, and again, these stay on. So if you're looking for like even though I didn't have it on like full day or anything like that, just because of how it was not easy to take off, I know that it's going to be a long lasting liquid matte lipstick. So the next product we got is their Lumi Matte Creamy Lipstick, and this is the color Notorious, so 01. Let's see what this one's looking like. Oops, if I can get it open. I'm trying not to rip it. I like to keep my boxes nice and intact. Okay, so this is what the package looks like for their matte lipstick. And it gives you like the color shade on the top, which is cute. Oops, and I just opened it the wrong way. This is the bottom. This is the top. Oh, and it has a magnetic closing. So as you can see, I kind of got some of the lipstick on here, but that's fine. That's okay. Twist it up. This is what it looks like. Now let's go ahead and swap against the liquid. That applied very smooth, and the color is pretty. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna put this on the bottom lip, and then I'm gonna put the last color that I have to look on the top of my lip. So let's just see. Try not to get it on. That's pretty. Now I kind of don't feel like this color is for me, but it's a pretty color. Definitely pretty color. And I like that this is magnetic and snaps right back on. So love that about the packaging. So very cute. All right, so the last one that I have for y'all is One Night Stand. And again, this is the Lumi Matte Creamy Lipstick, and it is creamy. It applies very smooth. So again, magnetic closing. Love that. This is the color, and this also shows at the bottom. Let's see how this looks against this one. Again, very creamy. Now, it does kind of break apart a little bit, so be careful of that when you first apply it, but that might be with any product. This is very creamy, so, but look at the colors against each other. Very pretty. Goes on smooth. This kind of looks pretty together. You might be able to mix these two. I like this. Oh, this, I like this. I like this a lot. It's very smooth. When they say creamy, yes, very creamy on your lips. It's not dry. Oh, I love this. And I'm not a big lipstick wearer, but this is very creamy, just as it states. It feels so moisturizing as well. And this is, it's their matte. This is matte. Yep, Lumi Matte Creamy Lipstick. So it doesn't give you that shine, but it does feel moisturizing because of how creamy it is. I give this a 10 out of 10. The lipstick, I give, the liquid lipstick, I give a 10 out of 10 as well, because of how long I feel like it will last. So these are the color palettes. We have High AF, Nymph, Notorious, One Night Stand. And just look at those for a second and see how pretty they are. And again, this lasts a long time. So let me just show you really quick if you were to take it off with water. So the Nymph, like as you can see, it doesn't come straight off. Let's look at the other ones. These wipe off a little more easy because they're creamy lipsticks. But as you can see with this, you're gonna need a good, nice, good makeup remover. But they will be some long-lasting liquid lipsticks. So this brand overall, I like these products. The lipstick is my favorite over the lip gloss just because this is so creamy and very moisturizing. I don't wear lipstick, but I will wear this 100%. So if you guys are interested in these products, I will leave a link to their website down below. But that's pretty much it for this video. These are my favorite, and I like the color combination of mixing these two together. Do you guys agree? This looks right on me. And again, I don't wear lipstick like that. I'm more of a lip gloss, you know, very minimum tinting with my lip gloss. But this is perfect for me. This, like, I just happen to come up with this combination by putting 1 and 1, but I like it, these two together mixed. So I found my new products. thank you, Lelo, for reaching out to me. I'm excited, and I'm definitely going to be wearing these. So make sure you guys check them out in the description down below. But that's pretty much it for this video. I will see y'all in my next one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay positive and always smile. Bye, guys.